Our designer range of cookie boxes will help your business stand out from the rest. Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed. Our black cookie boxes feel and look luxurious, making them the perfect high-end packaging for any brand. This particular finish is also exclusive to us here in Australia. The boxes come in various sizes and are delivered flat packed. Assembly is required, but we'll get into more detail later on in the video. These stunning boxes are excellent for gifts and wedding favours, but don't be fooled by the name. Our cookie boxes can also be used for other baked goods or small items such as art and craft pieces. You can elegantly decorate each box with your company's sticker, and the black finish will ensure your product stands out. The slide cover lets you beautifully showcase your product, and because the cover is completely clear, our boxes are perfect for corporate gifts that advertise company logos. The sleeve also protects your products for safe contactless delivery. Here at Box, there's no need for an account or ABN, and best of all, we ship all orders express. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. Now for assembly. Before we start, it's important to have a clean workspace, as these matte black boxes are not laminated, and the last thing you want to do is mark the box. We're going to fold each side in and around to the next one, fold in and in. And then you'll just come around and pinch the corners in, pushing the box down. Just swap it around to the other side. Just pinch those corners in, nice and easy, and there you have it. Then you're going to grab the sleeve, look for the line on the plastic, give it a little squeeze down, come over to the other side, the same again, just squeeze down, and then you'll notice that protective coating is still on there because you want to take that off at the last minute. Nice and easy to slide on. And they're going to remove the plastic. So once you've taken that protective coating off, you can just pop that in the bin, and the best part is there's no need for glue or staples. And I would recommend placing a ribbon around the box if you require a tighter seal. So if you're looking for a versatile box that'll beautifully showcase your small products, then our black cookie boxes are the perfect choice. Thanks so much for watching.